household, I think. Okay, cooking. So, everything ma'am said is right answer, ma'am. Everything will be cooked. Yes, of course it will be cooked. I want to know how the water will be or what will happen. The carrot went inside, isn't it? When it is boiled, when you take it out, ma'am, you will be the expert in that. When you take out the carrot after boiling, what will happen to the carrot?
It will be soft.
It will be soft. When it went in, it will be hard. When it went after that inside the boiling water, and when it came out, what happened? It became soft. Okay? Yes. So the carrots went in hot and now they are soft. The egg went in soft, but what happened? It became hard. And the coffee powder, the coffee, it disappeared and the water became decoction. Okay? Yes. It had the color and it had a wonderful smell of coffee. Isn't it? Now you think about your life, okay? Life is not always as easy, it is not comfortable, and it is always been hard, okay? Yes, you please. Things don't happen like as we wish, okay? Yes. People don't treat us like we hope. And we work very hard but get no results. What happens when we face difficulties? If you are a carrot, if you face difficulties, you go in hard and the boiling water is the difficult situation. As carrot you went in and when we came out, we became very soft and like this, okay? Like this. Now you think if you want to be a carrot, the next one. So, now think about the pots and the boiling water is like the problems of life, okay? So we can be like the carrots, we go in tough and strong and we come out soft and weak. Next one. And so when we are like this, what happens? We get tired, we lose hope, we give up, and there is no more fighting spirit in you. Don't be like the carrots. Okay? The next one. So we can be like the eggs. You said some of you. So we start with a soft and sensitive heart. But when you came out, you became very hard, isn't it? We end up very hard and unfeeling inside, like a rakshas. Okay? The next one. So we hate others, we don't like others, we don't like ourselves, and we become very hard-hearted, and there is no warm feeling at all in us, and only bitterness. So can we be like eggs? Please don't be like eggs. The next one, the coffee. So we can be like the coffee beans. The water does not change the coffee powder. Okay, the boiling water, the difficulties does not change the coffee powder. But the powder, it changed because of that. The powder changes the water. Okay, it means that we are able to handle our emotions or situations properly. The next one, so you can smell it, isn't it? So the water has become different after because of the coffee powder. So you can see it, smell it, drink it. Can you all smell it, sir?
Yes.
Of course, please have it. Invisibly, virtually. So the hotter the water, the better the taste. Okay? So now I ask you, what do you want to be like? Okay? So we can be like the coffee beans. Okay? And we make something good from the difficulties which we face. Yes. And we learn new things. We learn it. Next one. And we have new knowledge, new skills, new abilities, and we grow in our experience. And we make the world around us a very pleasant one, a better place. So to succeed, we must try and try again. And we must believe in what we are doing. We must not give up. And we must be patient. We must keep pushing the difficulties, and you should push yourself up and you should give your maximum. So problems and difficulties, you should see it as an opportunity, I said. It will make you to be stronger, better and tougher. And what we are like when things do not go well, it is up to you for pondering. So I am giving this question to you for ponder. You please look into yourself and you see whether you are like